Hey guys, it's Info Girl. Let's get right into it. So today we have a lender by the name of Wells Fargo's. Now, Will Fargo's has multiple different credit cards, okay? They have the Will Fargo's Active Cash Card, the Will Fargo's Reflect Card, the Choice Privilege MasterCard, Wells Fargo's Autograph Card, and Built World Elite MasterCard. But today we are specifically talking about the Will Fargo's Reflect credit card. Now, the good thing about this credit card is they have 0% intro APR for your first 21 months of opening up this account. They have a zero annual fee, okay, which is always great. Now, also, they have some additional cards, features, and benefits. They have the cellular telephone protection where you can get up to $600 of your cell phone protection when you pay your monthly cell phone bill with your eligible Will Fargo's card. Okay, they also have roadside dispatch. So if you need a locksmith or towing, you can rely on them. They also have the Will Fargo's deals, which you get cash back as an account credit when you shop or dine in. You also have the zero liability protection. Okay, which I think is always great, especially if you lose your card or someone gets a hold of your card. Now, they also have the credit close up where you can watch your FICO score go up or down or maintain it. Okay. So I do suggest this card if you have a 660 credit score and up. Okay. This is for good credit. So if you're looking for a really great credit card, this could be a great card for you. And they have limits up to $15,000. Okay. $15,000. Now, to be pre approved, there is no hard impact on your credit score whatsoever. But of course, if you do accept the terms and the conditions, there will be a hard inquiry. Okay. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button.